Websites to find non-teaching jobs in Thailand. What's up mga kanaisers? Today I will be sharing about websites kung saan kayo pwedeng maghanap ng mga jobs na hindi about teaching or pagtuturo. Dito sa Thailand, hindi lang pagiging teacher ang job na pwedeng pasukan ng mga Pinoy. Marami pa actually. And sa katunayan, gumawa ko ng video about this and you can find that video here. Maybe pumunta kayo dito sa Thailand hindi para mag-teach pero to find a job in another industry, and these websites that I'm going to share are going to help you look for a job dito sa Thailand in the industry that you want. Number 1 ang pagiging teacher, pero if you have another job in mind, then this video is right for you. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's start with number 1. jobsdb.com. Ito ang website na ginamit ko talaga dati to look for jobs in the marketing field. Of course, not just marketing, pero there are other jobs na available din dito. Browse through the site and maybe you will find a job na match sa skills mo or match sa gusto mong pasukang trabaho. My personal experience with this website is nakahanap ako ng work, pero hindi ko pinursu kasi yung nahanap ko na work is hindi pala siya sa Bangkok. Pero when I applied for a job dito sa Bangkok, it's very competitive, so hindi ako nakahanap ng work basta-basta. Maybe for you, if you have the right qualifications, you can find a job easily here. jobsdb.com actually also has an application, so hindi lang sa website. You can download the application sa Google Play. You can easily use the application to apply for work, especially if you have already uploaded your resume or CV. And helpful din kung meron ka ng cover letter na naka-upload before ka pa mag-apply. Number 2, jobtopgun.com. This is exclusively for Thailand as far as I know, but not exclusive for Thai people. May mga jobs na pwede rin for foreigners and it might be useful in your job search in different fields. Actually, itong website na to, hindi ko siya masyadong ginamit kasi when I was applying for a job in the marketing field before, hindi pa gaanong optimize ang website, hindi pa ganong kaganda. Pero when I checked it out again recently lang before making this video, their website really improved greatly. So, check this website out and maybe dito ka makakahanap ng work. Number 3, Craigslist.com. May mga full-time work and part-time work na available sa Craigslist.com. Actually, hindi masyadong ginagamit ng mga Thai ang website na ito para maghanap ng work. For Craigslist.com, I think most of the users here are foreigners. Mas marami mga foreigners ang nagpo-post dito to look for help or to look for employees. Sa totoo lang, marami na akong mga nakita mga part-time work through Craigslist.com. So I really recommend this website if you're just starting out in Thailand and wala ka pang full-time work. Maybe dito ka makakahanap ng part-time work while looking for a full-time job. Marami mga jobs dito, not just teaching. Some are for designing, some are for website design, others are for marketing, and marami pang iba. Explore this website and go to jobs and gigs para makahanap ng mga full-time work or part-time work sa industry na gusto mo. Of course, I cannot say na guaranteed ang work dito sa Craigslist, although marami mga nagpo-post dito. Kasi based on my experience, hindi lahat na mini-message mo ay magre-reply. Pero if they are really interested and you introduce yourself well, then maybe they are going to reply to you and offer you work or a part-time job. Try nyo lang and baka dito pa kayo makahanap ng work. Number 4, LinkedIn. There are recruiters in this website, pero most of them hire for middle to upper management position as far as I know. Good news ito sa mga gustong maghanap ng matataas na posisyon sa Thai companies. I actually have the application. I use this website also, pero I'm not an expert on LinkedIn. I think this website or application is good for networking, and there are also some recruiters that post job updates or job availability dito sa website na to. If you're aiming for a good position and you have the qualifications for it, then try to find a job through LinkedIn. Build your network and expand your connections through this website. Number 5, Facebook. There are Facebook pages in Thailand kung saan ang mga employers ay naghahanap ng mga staff, assistants, helpers, at other positions para makatulong sa kanila. Hindi mawawala ang Facebook sa mga recommendation ko for websites to find a job. Bakit? Kasi the first full-time job I had, I found it in Facebook. The owner of the company posted on one of the Facebook pages for foreigners sa Thailand, and I messaged, and then yun, natanggap ako as a graphic designer / marketing officer. And believe it or not, my current job, which is being a teacher, nakita ko lang din ang opening na ito sa Facebook page kung saan ako ay kabilang. So do not limit Facebook kasi hindi lang ito to share photos, to like memes, or to watch some reels. Pero this is also for many things. You can actually buy and sell in Facebook. You can actually see some opening and positions dito sa Facebook. And you can actually connect to a lot of foreigners through Facebook also. Kung marunong ka lang mag-explore, maraming opportunities na pwedeng makita sa Facebook. That brings us to the end of this video. Sa mga websites na sinabi ko, marami kang makikita ng mga non-teaching jobs for foreigners. Actually, in some of them, teaching jobs are also available, pero they focus mostly on non-teaching jobs. If may mga napanood pa kayong ibang videos na nagsasuggest ng iba pang websites, then this video can be a supporting resource for you to find a job kung saan yung gustong field na pasukan. If you have other websites na gusto nyong i-recommend, then comment them down below. Pero the websites that I included in this video, I personally use them, so I know that they are legit. Competitive ang job market dito sa Thailand, pero if you have the right qualifications, then I'm sure na madali lang kayo makakahanap ng work. Hopefully, itong video na ito ay makatulong. If you cannot find a job through these websites, then don't be discouraged. Apply lang ng apply, and maybe one of the companies will respond to you. Don't be discouraged if hindi kayo matanggap sa mga jobs na ina-applyan nyo. Send as many applications as you can, and maybe one day you will be hired for a good job and a good company with good salary, good benefits, and overall good environment to work in. If meron kayong kakilala na naghahanap ng work pero hindi pagiging teacher, then I hope you recommend this video to them. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.